Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. Oh, check this out, you guys. I found even more tropical foolishness. What's going on here? So this is a door banner. Let me see if I can get it down so you guys can see. It says welcome. Super cool. I know you guys are picking that up. Let me see if I can put that one down there. I see another one. That one says Sweet Summer. And this is kind of the color of it. Trying to catch all these for you guys. And then check this out. This one says Let's Flamingo. For you guys who love the flamingos again. I love that every different store is giving me something totally different. Now I love these little decor pieces. These are like little MDF. Do you guys see how thick those are? Pieces. And this is kind of what you get in there. 6 pieces of that kind of decor. I love that. So cool for DIYs. Didn't mean to move you guys so fast. And then they have this one with the citrus and the watermelon. Again, MDF decor pieces. Loving that. Now let me show you what else I'm seeing here, you guys. It's the drink thing. Sorry, you guys, it's a little loud in here. You guys kind of know how it is. We're at the Dollar Tree. But do you see these little drink markers? Love these. They're like rubber drink markers. And these are freaking awesome. And you can also use those as DIYs as well. Let's see if we find anything else. Okay. You guys know that when the inflatables start coming out, I start getting fancy. Look at this. Oh, that is so cool. The colors. I don't know if you guys are seeing the kind of fuchsia color here. Beautiful. So it's basically an inflatable flower like this. They're claiming that it is 17.75 inches. Really, really good size. And that is just the $1.50. Now let me see what else I'm seeing here. Some of the stuff we saw at that other store. So I'm not going to highlight that. Oh, I do like this. Okay. Do you remember how at the other store, I'm not going to touch it, but we saw the glittered ones? Now these I remember from last year. So it's basically like that same kind of table runner, but without the glitter. So we get kind of the green leaves and the pineapples. I don't see that kind of fuchsia flower situation, but that's okay with me. I'm just glad that there's no freaking glitter on there. Now, ooh, these are cute. Hold on a second, you guys. Talk to me. Now, you guys who love to do your decoupage with the napkins, these are some dang cool napkins. I could see you guys really getting into this. So let me know if you guys have seen these in your store. And let's see what else we can find. Okay, you know what else I'm seeing, you guys? Let's talk about the dang yard signs this year. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, we already saw this guy. He needs your attention. We saw him. Now, this is a new one for me. This Aloha sign. Dang cute. And that's basically the dimensions. I'm not going to read them out for you guys. But I love that. And, of course, it comes with the stakes right back here that you use to put it up. The other one I'm seeing is this Summer Vibes sign. And that's the dimensions on that. Very, very cute. I'm liking these summer signs. I think these are a really, really good deal. Okay, you guys, now you know every year I have to look at the dang lays. Am I the only one? Put it in the comments. But right now, tell me that this purple is not incredible. I've seen a lot of lays in a lot of years, but I don't know that I've ever seen this purple before. And it's so, look at how it's matching up with this yellow. Is it just me or is that freaking beautiful? Now, here's the other thing I'm seeing I don't remember seeing before. Look at these cute floral kind of headbands for any sort of activities or anything like that coming up. Look at these. I don't know if you guys remember that headband set of DIYs I did last year, and that was dang fun. But look at these. I'm just going to check out a couple of them that I'm kind of seeing directly in front of me. I kind of like this monotone, all, you know, just kind of green one there. Then they've got this white one, and then I think I see a pink one back here. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. And then I'm going to point out one other thing. I was holding you guys totally sideways. Check this out. Do you guys remember when we did the wreath with this? Beautiful stuff, and they have it back. So if you guys don't remember that wreath, check it out. I'll try to remember to link it, but this stuff is good stuff. Snatch it up, makes a really pretty wreath. Okay, you guys, I have come up on some new diamond painting sheets. And you know I love to show these for those of you guys who do craft that way. Check this out. Very, very summery. I'm loving those yellow colors. Let me know if you guys have seen this design near you. I see another one. Check this out. Again, very kind of tropical. The colors are definitely giving, you know, summer, warmer months kind of thing. So I love this. I have never diamond painted before, but put in the comments if you guys think I should give it a shot. Maybe I would like it. I don't know. You guys seem to really enjoy it. But these are 2 brand new diamond painting sets that I have seen. Check this out, you guys. I just ducked down and found something crazy. Look at this. So it's basically a canvas, but do you see how it already has the sketch of the Mona Lisa on it? So I guess the idea is that you'd buy this canvas and then you'd make your own kind of Mona Lisa, I guess. Very interesting. It's at $1.25. I'm gonna duck down, you guys, and see if there's any other paintings worth doing. But this is the Mona Lisa, I guess. Let's see if we can see any other ones. Okay, guys, I'm also seeing Starry Night. Do you guys see that? So the canvas already has the sketch of that on it, and all you've got to do is fill it in with the colors. Let me see if I can see anything else, you guys. Try not to move you guys too quick. Or is it just those 2? Oh, they're tight down here, you guys. They are tight. Oh, I think I see one more. Is this like a Monet? Okay, look at that. So beautiful sketch already on the canvas. All you've got to do is just fill it in with your own paints. I suppose you could probably also do it with markers. So really, really cool, you guys. This is my first time seeing these. Let me know if you guys have seen these as well. So you guys know I love to see what's going on in the plates and party supplies. We got a lot of kids' birthdays coming up here. Take a look. Look at these tiger plates. And it's 10 plates for that $1.25. He's so dang cute. And then I'm seeing the kind of monkey plate here. I'm guessing that's also 10 plates. Yep. So these are marked at $1.25. I really, really like that, because some of the party supplies have gone up to $2, but not these plates. And then we've got a little giraffe. Oh, so cute. And again, 10 plates on that. Super, super cute. I love these. I love these for a kid's party. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.